Good evening, friends. This is going to be in a webinar for the currencies. So, what are we looking right now? We are looking in a dollar index on the weekly basis. Now, the dollar index, it has made a correction and it is still correcting. So, when dollar index, basically it is in a calculation, weighted calculation of the all the currency relation to the dollar. So, when it is going down, we will probably look our currencies to get more. I mean, we may see some our currency variation in the pricing. So, what I am looking in the dollar index is right now is this key. This is going to be. It is still an upside move. Okay, dollar index is still an upside move. We are looking for one more rally in the dollar index. But to understand how exactly this works, is you need to understand the basic structures or the basic theory behind this method. Now, we are looking this to come somewhere here, meet somewhere here. You will probably look this into some sideways market before heading down towards this price. Okay, 94.43. So it is going to enter in a sideways market. This is very likely because in the primary market it was not in the sideways, it was in a very rapid action mode. That means this is a primary market before completing the correction of the first leg. This is wave A. So A, B, C, then again wave C. So that means based on the wave theory, we still consider that it is going to take a time and it will likely to make this kind of variations. Okay, before heading and look for an upside move. If the upside move doesn't come, if it comes below, still we are looking for an upside move. Okay, so this is what we are looking in this dollar index. Okay, so the dollar index is going down, so USD JPY is also behaving a sideways move, almost in a sideways, you can say. It made a, it made a B, and it is going to make a C. So again, relationship we have to see in the manner. So from here, again, what we can see, it can go slightly, it can go towards sideways before heading for this price. Then we will look into the whether it changes the course or it will remain in the same way. Now USD INR. USD INR behaves completely different than any other currency right now. What are we looking? We are looking because our currencies are different uh, because of the so much other reasons. So we are looking for a devaluation in the rupee before it comes down. So this will become in a sideways this thing and then come down. This is one, or we may look this as a small jump, then small down before making it to the down. So it is something like it may make a contracting flat before coming down to the here somewhere near 84 and half. Okay, so until that even the equity market will also get affected because of this. Okay, INR JPY, we are still at 1.64. Euro USD, it is heading up, and we are likely looking into in this way that it will enter into a sideways because it is directly related to the we may see this as a sideways before it goes upside dollar index. So we may see this 1.18 and plus, or we can see 1.1919. Okay, we can see that. Now Euro INR, again it is going up. What we see here is based on the INR system, and INR system here is very weak, so we may see something like this before going up. This pattern might repeat here on the smaller scale before going up to the 102.05. So that is a basically target on the currency level. Okay, and ruble you can see it is coming down, but I don't think that ruble will come down very drastically, although we have a invalidation, we have a trend break, so ruble might come to certain this thing, because it might go up, it might start going upside. Ruble might start going upside for one more rally. It might go to 1.5. Okay, so this is what we are looking, and I hope these are the currencies, and we will look into some commodities. Gold is now at the new high. I have no idea where it is going to stop, but even if it goes to $3,800 or $3,900, I suggest you not to trade in this. At least stay away from when it is forming its highest price. It can go to $5,000. It can go to $5,000. I don't say no for it. Now, silver. We are looking for the next upside move in the silver. We are probably looking this as one of the next rally. You can expect this to go to here, $40 per ounce. Okay, you can expect. Will it go up? Yes, you need some flag here. You need a flag here before silver starts moving upside. Okay, before silver starts moving upside, you need this flag to be broken. This flag has to be completed. It is almost completed. So yes, you need a, once this flag breaks, it's likely to head. Okay, right? Then we have silver in the INR. Same story. Yes, we are looking for an upside move, but this upside will hit around 98,000. Then you can look for the trailing ones. Buying is in your own way. I'm not going to give you the buying setup. Once you cross this price 96,500, start trailing the stop. Don't panic. Let it go. Okay. Oil is very much it is showing that it will likely to head up one more round before coming to 69, before coming down. So it's heading for 69. Palladium, yeah, this will make some noise, and it is in the congested pricing now. So palladium, you might see the palladium to break and then come down. It might go up. Suddenly there is a one pattern that suggests that it might go up from this place. It might go immediately. It might head to upside move, and if it heads to upside move, it will go up to this 1032 before coming down. Okay, copper started heading up. Copper and silver both together are going upside. Okay, if you are dealing in palm oil, it's coming down. but I'm not sure it is going to remain this, because we may expect this to go to somewhere around about 1600 in a nearby. Okay, crude per mile, Kakinada. So I was expecting from here to here actually. So it made a drop. It made a drop. So what we are looking in the palm oil is basically, what we are looking is that it may start heading towards 1500 or 1520. So palm oil is going to increase. Zinc, it has broken the upside channel. No, not exactly, but yeah, what I can see is that it might head up also. Okay, copper is done. Coffee, it's heading up. It will head. I think last time I told you that it's heading up to somewhere around 50,000. So coffee, yes, coffee is heading up. Wait for it. It's I'm on daily. Wait for it. If you are going for a fresh buy setup in the NCDX, coffee robusta is heading up. Robusta is the one which is having a high price. All right then. If you want to know anything more, you can just comment. I'll try to do the video on that. Okay. Thank you.